2009 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 Z71. What we got done on it for you boys and girls this afternoon. Still got those damn catalytic converters, factory, right there and right there. Then no third cat. All right, so it's gonna sound even better. Then 3-inch pipe all the way back, and he wanted it throaty. So guess what we put on it? There's the stock muffler that we cut off, and we put DYNOMAX race bullet, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, right there. 24250 is the part number, right there. Thank you, sir. And then because the muffler is so damn massive, we have to add a 3-inch pipe to make up for the difference. And then continue the 2.5-inch pipe. That's 3-inch pipe, by the way. And then 2.5-inch pipe, continued it out the back, the stock one. He didn't want to put a tip. He didn't want anything. He just wanted sound. So there it is. Let us know what you guys think, and hope you guys like it. I think it looks good. And make sure you guys subscribe, please. Subscribe. Did I mention subscribe? Hey, did I mention subscribe? And make sure you like, especially after you hear it. Look at that. Whoop, baby. That don't sound too bad. I like it. What do you guys think? If you like it, smash the like button. If you kind of like it, tell us in the comments. Again, the sound decibels, 103. Go ahead and back it up. And it's freezing here, guys, so don't think it's cold start or nothing like that. Our work don't take more than 30-45 minutes to do. If this takes anybody more than 30-45 minutes to do, then I think you shouldn't go to them, because they kind of don't know what they're doing. There it is. DYNOMAX race bullet, never disappoints as usual. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Silverado, DYNOMAX race bullets, single. Hopefully he'll get on it. We'll see. There you go. There's the stance you guys want. Sounds pretty good on idle too. It's not too loud.